Ew, gross. Hey, it's AP, and today I'm fixing my armrest. Check it out. My Subaru Forester turned 10 this year, and I've gone almost 100,000 miles. And over that time, I've leaned a lot on my armrest. Compound that with having two toddlers who like to climb out of their chairs when we're parked and stomp on the armrest to get to the front seat to see the world view from a different perspective. Well, that means the armrest is now busted. Yeah, this thing is gross, it's dirty, it's completely caved in, torn, it just looks like crap. And since my wife won't let me buy a new car, thanks honey, I am forced to make the most out of this one. And so I'm going to replace the armrest to make it feel a little bit nicer. I bought a brand new armrest off of the internet. It was maybe $160. I'll leave a link to where I purchased this in the description below. And for tools, all you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver and something to pry off the back cover of the console. I have a butter knife here. I also have my Swiss Army knife to see if that'll help me do it. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. So let's hop into the back seat and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is remove this back cover because the screws that we are going to need to remove are back here. Now there's a seam that you can hopefully see here, and to crack this open, I'm going to start with my butter knife and see if that'll help me get it. But the goal is to open this without breaking it or scratching it. So this was really easy. I just popped my knife in right here. I don't know if you saw that, but I was able to just crack it open. Nice. And then I'm going to start on the other side. There we go. And go back to this side. There we go. And it just pops off. Look at that. Okay. And now here are the screws that we need to remove. And hold on to these screws because you're going to have to reuse them, or at least with my replacement it didn't come with any extra screws. So I believe that's it. And then this just kind of pops off. Look at that. Nice. Then we take the new one, we fold this down, line it up, grab our screws. So the two big ones go on the bottom, and the two little ones go on the top. Opens just fine. And then thank you honey. And then we pop this back on. See, there's these tabs here. So they obviously line up like so. And you just kind of punch them back on. And now we're done. So long, ugly, busted armrest, and hello, sexy, new, clean, not broken armrest. Yes. This literally took 5 minutes. It was long overdue. Save yourself a few $100s and just do it yourself. Did you find this video helpful? Well, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to the channel, please. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. Plus, you don't want to miss out on future fix-it videos. I'm fixing stuff all over my house, my yard, and my car. You're not going to want to miss those and my stunning personality. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.